what is just happening? Just now I upgrade my Prusa firmware and it's showing out some error. This a bit making sharp noise. Beep. Oh, I'm wearing mask because I'm printing ABS. Okay, come back to the question. Why, after I upgrade the firmware, it make noise on the printer? You may facing the same problem. Here is the why. I preheated the printer meanwhile I upgraded firmware while it's heated. That's why you can see, roll back the video, you can see actually at the second view is I point to the fan is rotating, which is mean the hot end is still heating up. The solution is I shut it down, wait for a few minutes for the cool down automatically, and on it back. It should be fine. It's not a problem. If after a few minutes cool down is still making noise, you just refresh the printer. It solves the problem. Well, I am Bruce. This is my vlog day 2. Workshop vlog. Now, actually it's tomorrow already, over 12 o'clock. While I'm still preparing some print and while waiting the computer slicing part, my computer a bit slow, and slicing speed is slow. So there's no choice to wait it forever. I'll be waiting. After everything sliced out and printing start, I will go to sleep. Oh, I got a news today. I got a new website for my 3D printing service. I mean a new domain. I don't have any website yet. The website is using still the old one. The old one is 1M3DP, which means is I am 3D print. But I think that is not good to remember, and not much people will remember that. So I decided to change it, and I will register the company name with that new name called B3D. B-boy, I'm Bruce. You can remember as a Bruce 3D or whatever, B3D. Dash online. If you own the 3D printer, you may know E3D. I'm not mean to clone them each, but that is inspire me. E3D-online.com, and my new domain it will be Bruce. It's B3D-online.com. It will be my new website. It's yeah, maybe, but I think it's quite easy to remember. B3D. So I hope my workshop going well soon, and in future getting great, getting crazy grow, and I can hire a few more guys to help me operate the workshop. I'm not really hiring. I'm actually looking for partner to solve the problem. So I need partner. Yeah, I don't need a worker now. I can't even survive myself, right? Why I need the workers if I can't? I don't want someone die with me. Not that die. Well, yeah. What is today's purpose? Now, I'm looking on the new opportunity to cooperate with anyone in Malaysia about 3D printing. And I wish my vision is correct. In short period it will have grow, but if not that bad, I just go back to work for others. Maybe I'm old already, but yeah, I still can work a lot of things. Solution, I can give solution, right? Oh, by the way, I did do some housekeeping, so looks a little bit better now, but still got some mess out there. It will be better and better. I will keep cleaning up everything. Yeah, and I need more printer. Oh, that one is reading the slicing file. Oh, the slicing is done. It's a car models. I'm going to export it. Well, if you don't know how the 3D printing process is working, let me show you something today. First thing is I have to put the SD card in. SD card, lock it here. I got a dock here, so hard disk dock, and then oh, someone messaged me, and then I just save it to the SD card. I just export the files into the SD card, and I'm going to fit it in to the printer. This is original Prusa. There's a lot of Prusa out there. You got a lot of clone. Even you see now a lot of China printers, they're actually using the same structure. They are open source printers, so you are easy to clone. If you got patient, you can just simply download the open source file and buy all the parts and keep it yourself. Like my first printer, actually I'm using the clone one, and then after that I replaced the original one. Just support this guy Prusa. I think they don't need my support. They survive very good. They sell. This is almost the sales. How many thousand? 30,000, 40,000 printer. Well, then they're selling more parts, more different type technology. Now they got a SLA, MSLA printer. Well, now it's waiting to heat it up, because previously I got some ABS material in, so I had to unload it to fit this transparent PLA, which is someone request. So for this previously used, you need to cut out the nose, the head, to make it flat, easy to use. One hand is hard to control. Okay. And ting ting. Okay. Now you hear some sound. There's moisture in ABS. After reload, take out the filament. This is the material, plastic, thermoplastic. Heat it, melt it, and glue it. Not glue it, just melt them together. So this is the PLA. Now the fit put on the filament holders. Take it out, and then fit it in. So it will load. This one is extra, not come with the printer. You can print, stick in the stable model, so you can see it moving. So it automatically get up. I'll change the temperature back to PLA. Let them cool down. This temperature too high for PLA. 1.5 is fine. But back to 60. Gonna be warm in this room now. I guess all of them like printing at 90 degrees, 240s. Another one, this one is 255, this is ABS. It's a bone. Cool, right? And then this one, okay, good. Fine. Okay. Okay. Then select the file. Print from SD. I got a call speed top. The cool thing is it will show it how many minutes left. 3 minutes left. And this one is 23 minutes left. And this most likely is filled out because just starting, so we got you don't have time yet. So, and look, before start print, it will go to automatic labeling. That's why I like this machine. You got something like that. Also, you can, if you use one machine, you also can use like some different sensor to do the auto bed labeling. Well, the print is done. No, sorry, the print is started. I can go to sleep now. The first layer running well, but the model is not this client model, so it's not my model and cannot show it. Oh, I forget something. Yeah, yesterday I got DVA models, right? Like this one. Yeah, I painted it, not I spray it in blue color. And because I want to try to see the texture. If you want to see the detailed picture, you can go to my Instagram, Bruce 3D Workshop. ID is that. or you just search for 1M3DP. I'm not changed any yet, but you can find me. I'll put in the link description below. If you like to see the picture, just go to take a look. See you tomorrow.